How to mention people on TikTok story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As I logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here under your display picture you can see the plus icon where you can simply tap on it and add a story. So let's tap on a random picture, or let's just click on a random picture over here. So I'm going to simply click a random picture over here, and as I click a picture, what you can do is simply tap on your story. Let me remind you that when you click a picture or you want to mention someone on TikTok story, you cannot directly add in before adding on the story. So you have to first put on this story. So let's tap on your story and put this particular picture as our story. So as you put on your story, you can simply tap on the story option at the top of the screen, and here simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top bottom right corner, and you can see the option of mention over here. Select on the mentions option, and you can now simply select on any of the people over here. So I'm going to select a particular person and then tap on mention, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.